How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro SE lower front plastic cover. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Lift the calf massager out of the way, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 5 screws that secure the lower front plastic cover. Remove the cover. Now, let's replace it. Place the new lower front cover into position, then replace and partially tighten the 5 screws. Finish tightening the screws. Gently lower the calf massager to the floor. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.